Let's talk about MDG. Just do it simple. MDG. Just do it simple. MDG with BAG.
Hi there. Welcome to the podcast where master data governance gets simple, fast, and fun. Welcome back to the Data Diagnostic Series by BAG Consult, where we assess your company's data maturity, one critical question at a time. In this series, we walk through each question from our data diagnostic checklist to explain why it matters, what it reveals about your organization, and how it directly impacts operations, financial performance, and cost control. Today's question focuses on a critical capability in data quality management. Are there automatic alerts to flag data errors in real time? Example: evaluates whether the system includes preventive mechanisms such as validation rules and automatic notifications, data quality management. Because when organizations do not detect data errors in real time, something very predictable happens. Errors go unnoticed, processes continue, decisions are made. And by the time the issue is identified, the impact has already spread across the organization. Every organization generates and relies on data continuously, but without automatic alerts to flag data errors in real time. Errors are only detected after they cause problems. Incorrect data flows through multiple systems. Issues are identified too late. To prevent impact, manual validation becomes necessary. Data quality depends on human intervention. Inconsistencies spread across processes. And most importantly, the organization shifts from prevention to correction without real-time alerts. Employees spend time identifying where errors occurred. IT investigates root causes instead of preventing them. Finance works with unreliable numbers before corrections. Operations continue with flawed inputs. Leadership makes decisions based on incomplete or incorrect data. This is not just a data quality issue. It is a cost escalation mechanism. Because when errors are not stopped at the source, they multiply, and the cost of fixing them increases exponentially as they move across systems and teams. Let's compare two scenarios. Company A. The organization has implemented automatic alerts to flag data errors in real time. There are validation rules embedded in systems, automatic notifications when anomalies occur, controls at the point of data entry, monitoring mechanisms across critical processes. Because of this, errors are detected immediately. Issues are corrected at the source. Incorrect data does not propagate. Manual validation is minimized. Data quality is consistently maintained. Teams trust the data they use. Most importantly, the company prevents errors before they become operational and financial problems. Now let's look at Company B. The company has no automatic alerts or real-time validation mechanisms. Errors are only identified during reporting through customer complaints, in financial reconciliation, during operational disruptions. At first, this may seem manageable, but over time, the real cause becomes visible. More time spent identifying and tracing errors, more manual corrections across systems, more duplicated work between teams, more inconsistencies in reporting, more operational delays, more rework in core processes, and the financial impact spreads across the organization. Higher administrative and operational costs, productivity losses across departments, increased IT workload for issue resolution, delayed billing and revenue collection, risk of financial misstatements, increased customer dissatisfaction and service costs, higher compliance and audit risks, increased costs of coordination between teams, higher costs of scaling operations. Instead of preventing errors in real time, the company continuously pays to detect, investigate, and fix them. And the longer the error goes unnoticed, the higher the cost it comes. If your answer to today's question is no, it often indicates lack of preventive data quality mechanisms, reactive issue management, high dependency on manual validation, limited system control over data integrity, increased exposure to operational and financial risks, growing hidden inefficiencies without automatic alerts, errors propagate across systems, Detection is delayed. Correction becomes more complex. Inefficiencies accumulate silently. Operational risks increase. Costs rise across multiple functions. And most importantly, the organization underestimates how expensive delayed error detection really is. If your answer is yes, this usually reflects a more mature approach, especially when validation rules are embedded in critical systems. Alerts are triggered automatically and in real time. Responsibility for resolving issues are clearly defined. Monitoring is continuous and structured. Data quality is proactively managed. Prevention is prioritized over correction. Organizations with real-time alert mechanisms can stop errors at the source, reduce rework and duplication, improve data consistency, accelerate processes, increase trust in reporting, reduce operational disruptions, control costs more effectively. Because mature organizations don't wait to detect data issues, they prevent them from spreading. Automatic alerts to flag data errors in real time are not just a technical feature. They are a control mechanism, because organizations that rely on detecting errors late will always operate at a higher cost. Real-time alerts are not about adding complexity. They are about reducing it, because the real question is not, do we eventually detect data errors? The real question is, how quickly do we stop errors before they impact the business? Does your organization proactively detect and prevent data errors in real time? Visit bag-consult.com/data-diagnostic and complete our quick checklist. After submitting your answers, one of our consultants will schedule a short online session to walk you through your personalized diagnostic report, completely free of charge, because mature organizations don't just fix data errors. They prevent them from happening.
Curious how this could work for your company? Let's talk. Contact us at info@bag-consult.com.